Hiya guys, it's Katie. Today I'm going to be teaching you a drum solo combination from my new drum solo video. The link is going to be in the description below so that you can practice along with me in your own time once you've learned the combination. So let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so we're going to start off today with our combination. If you're not already warmed up though, you can follow the link below. I've got a 10-minute warm-up video, so if you're not already feeling warm, if you're a bit stiff, then watch that and then we'll start on the combination. So, for those of you who are warmed up, we're going to start by facing the, so I'm going to be facing the right, but to you that's going to be the left, so we're going to be mirroring. So, if I have my left foot behind, right foot in front, and we're going to be facing towards the left. For the beginning, we're going to start with just a little shimmy of the shoulders, shimmy, and then we're going to pop the chest, so it's going to go drop. So it lifts up and drops down, but it's all in one motion rather than locking the chest, locking it down. So we'll have a shimmy, pop. Good, then we're going to start our routine. We're then going to pull in from our tummy, so think of pulling your belly button towards your spine, so a tuck. Then hold that tuck, we're going to lift from the chest, lift. We're going to release the tuck, so this isn't a untuck motion, it's just tuck out to neutral. So again, we're going to tuck, lift the chest, out tuck, drop the chest. So again, you'll keep the chest lifted when you're doing that lift to start with. So again, tuck, lift, out tuck, drop. And again, we're just going to tuck and lift. So it's 6 beats altogether. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, to change direction, what I do in the video is I actually have my hair in front, and I'm gonna go, it's gonna go da 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 tack. So to do that, I'm gonna go da 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 tack. So just change direction. I'm actually gonna be taking my right leg behind me. I just didn't have the wall space there. I'm gonna come a bit away from there. Hair in front, and I go da 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 tack. So again, from the beginning, we're gonna go shoulders, pop, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da da da, tack, go behind. From here, we're gonna do the same again with the hips. We're gonna tuck, lift, out tuck, drop, tuck, lift. And then we're gonna go with a flutter. So let me show you from here. So we're just gonna go da da da, tack. So it'll just be a really quick, I'll do a video on flutters if anyone isn't sure about how to do a flutter. And I will again link it below once I've done the video. So, tack. Then we're gonna go into a shoulder shimmy. So shoulders, and we're gonna be rolling the shoulders forward as we're doing the shimmy. So we're gonna shimmy, down, down, down. I start by lifting it up with the toes. Shimmy, down, down, down. So we're gonna start from the beginning. Shoulder, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn and flick the hair. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flutter. Release. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to end. We're just going to let our, so chest is open at the moment, shoulders back. Let the hair fall. And then to the next move, lift. So again, it'll be shoulders, roll down, roll down, roll down. Release. Then we're going to lift back up, and we're going to go into 2 chest circles. So we lift up, chest circle, chest circle. From here, we're going to change direction, so we're going to turn over our left shoulder, so cross the left leg over, to a half turn to the back. For our hip, we're going to go with our left hip. We're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So it's a flick and flick, so it's a hip snap going up and up, and you're sliding the hip along as you do it. So I'm doing a combination of a hip slide and also lifting with my hip snaps. Tack, 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 tack. So to the back, going over to the left, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. So there's going to be 3 sections of the hip snap with the slide. So we go over to our left, to our right, to our left. We go dum dum tack, dum dum tack, dum dum tack. Then we're going to release our back down. So So only a slight bend in the back. Let your hair fall down and lift back up. Also, something to note, when you're facing the back, just to lift your head, it just means your hair comes down further and it also lifts from your waist. So just get that nicer figure when you're dancing. And again, so we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Lean it back. Good. And again, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This time we're going to go into a hip box. We're going to go down, down with the hip, tuck, down with the hip. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Good. Then change to the front. Good. Okay, so that whole bit one more time, and then we're going to add the final little combination, and then we're finished. So, sign with the shoulders. Shoulders pop and tuck, lift, out, tuck, drop. 1, 2. Change the head, take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pop, release. Shoulders 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift up. Chest, chest, chest. Round to the back. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Da da da. Lean. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we turn. Da 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 da. Front. Okay. So now that we're facing the front, we're going to slide our hip out to the side. We're then going to slide our chest over, and we're going to flick our head over to the side. So we slide, chest, flick the head. From here, we're just going to go drop, drop with the chest. So down, 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 down. Then slide the hip, slide the chest, turn your head, and push your face to the front. So again, slide, slide, head, chest, chest, slide, slide, head, and look. So let's try it from the beginning, and then we'll go with music. So we go shimmy, drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da da da, flick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pop, shimmy over, shimmy over, shimmy over, head comes down, lift it up, chest, chest, turn to the back, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, roll it down, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, round to the front, slide, slide, head, chest, chest, slide, slide, look to the front. Amazing, guys, thanks so much for watching. So you can comment below, let me know if there's anything that you want to learn, or just let me know how you're getting on with the practice. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it to any friends that you think might be interested in learning some drum solos. I will see you next week for more tutorials. Hiya guys, it's Katie. Today I'm going to be teaching you a... Why can't I get the word out of my mouth? Okay, and we're gonna do, I always just want to keep saying and, no.
Ciao.